Hey, what's going on? Mr. Dave on the rock pile. We are making rocks. Hey, I want to show you how I start a rock. All right. You start a rock by epoxying steel into concrete when you have a slab you're working on, or you make a little footing and stick it in the ground, 6-8 inches down. Get your uprights going on. Just like we have right here. These are like places where you get some concrete footing, a little concrete footing going down into the dirt that really gives you something to get your concrete and your steel uprights going on. So then you can just bend everything around and sculpt out whatever you want to create with your feature. So we have our terraces for the slide. That's what the engineering calls for a lot of times. Just flat places. So the slide itself can't slide down into the pool because it's actually on flat ground basically. These little pockets right here, we're going to put rebar in, concrete them in, pre-pour them, probably 2 sticks each hole. So we're putting the slide over in this corner. It's going to wrap around the corner of that raised bond, which is going to be the awesome cannonball zone. And we've been working on it for a couple days here. We got our footing, we got our upright steel pylons to give you a little bit of a structure that you can then shape into the slide that you want to make, the shapes you want to make. They sort of form as a little anchor, as you can see coming around the end here. And we made some boulders, same process. Make a little footing. You can see this one's ready. And I'm going to add a little more steel to that one. And then it's going to turn into a rock. What I do is I start off with one piece of rebar to create kind of the backbone of the rock. And then all the rest of these, you then can attach to the backbone, tie them off, and you got your rock. You want to keep angles and stuff going on instead of roundy roly-poly, unless you want roundy roly-poly. If you do, then you can just keep your shapes more roundy. But we're trying to make more fractured rocks. The slide, we got the word, and it's a fun slide. It gets you going. You spin down, you drop down, and then it sort of levels off a little bit right there, and then dips around the corner. Lots of different areas of interest and engagement. We have these natural boulders that I pushed around with a bobcat, and he planted it out really cool with the palms. A lot of water coming out of this puppy, as you can see. The colors are pretty close, and you're trying to get the similar angles and such. This is just pumped concrete, shotcrete pump, and then turn the air down and then just blew it on there, and I just fought it out and put cracks in it the way I thought would work. So this is the lead up to it. Yeah, baby, you're gonna be sliding and sliding and sliding going down this puppy. That is really cool. So anyway, Mr. Dave here. Go to my website, www.daverhenderson.com, for more how-tos on how to make rocks. And hope you're having a great day. God bless you. Be forgiving, be thankful, and you'll have an awesome life. All right, we'll see you next time. Bye.